Hey, good morning, everyone. Ryan Carson here with Carson Law. Nice, crisp, sunny morning on the weekend. Coming with an answer to a question we get commonly, which are, what are the three top criterias from our perspective for a good rent to own, or RTO? And so, in my personal opinion, some of the top criteria for a good rent to own would be number one, properly drafted purchase agreement, a properly drafted rental and tenancy agreement, and then a properly drafted option to purchase agreement. So if you're not familiar with those documents, or it's one of your first times doing this, I would encourage you to get some mentorship from somebody very experienced in it, another real estate investor or coach, but also give us a call at Carson Law. We'd be happy to help you out, review those documents, help you draft those documents, and just help you understand the mechanics of the rent to own a little bit more. Number two item would be a really good credit check and screening process of your rent to own tenant buyer. You want to make sure this is somebody that you vetted, they are the right person, the right candidate for the rent to own, because the principle of the rent to own is that they rent there for usually about 2 to 3 years, usually max 4, and then they use that time period to typically improve the property, kind of make it their own, and part of the rental payment goes towards a down payment on the purchase, and then the other part is obviously some rental income for you, the investor owner. And then finally, I would make sure you have a really strong power team. So make sure you have a really good mortgage broker, somebody familiar with financing rent to owns. Make sure you have a really strong relationship with your insurance broker, so you can make sure that between you and the tenant buyer, you've got great coverage in place for home ownership protection. And you want to make sure you're dealing with somebody who's a really strong real estate coach, somebody who's done this multiple times, to make sure you've got the right guidance and learning from experience from your coach. And then finally, have a good lawyer, somebody who understands what a rent to own is and has done many of them in the past. And that's where we can help. So take care and all the best. Bye-bye.